The LectroFan, the SNOOZ Smart, or BUFFBEE? Perhaps the Hatch Restore or the Marpac? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 white noise machines for better sleep available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best white noise machines for better sleep. The 5th product on this list is the BUFFBEE white noise machine. This sound machine is created to be a unique, multifunctional device that brings high-quality sound to your home. It helps you sleep more peacefully and is excellent for homes with small children or pets that may cause loud disturbances at night. It lets you choose from 17 different soothing sounds and features, an 8-color night light that can be dimmed. Also, it comes with a built-in timer, LED nightlight, and memory function that keeps track of your last setting. Moreover, it's smart enough to monitor the surrounding sound levels and automatically adjust the volume. We also like its stylish design, vinyl fabric cover, and sleek modern shape, which ensures that you are in the fashion of today's home appliances. Its durable construction and microcontrol panel make it easy to use, while a colorful nightlight provides peace of mind. The sound it creates include ocean waves, wind chimes, raindrops, and more. It is designed to enhance your daily life by providing you with the ultimate relaxation experience at home, office, or anywhere else you want. Furthermore, a relaxing sleep will help you wake up more alert and energized for a productive day. This handy portable white noise sound machine will help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Whether you have trouble falling asleep, wake up too early, or can't stop thinking about everything you need to do tomorrow, this product is for you. Its pros are: its memory function allows you to save your favorite settings so they can be used again at any time. It has an 8-color nightlight function, perfect for those who want to drift off into dreamland quickly and easily. And its 17 unique sounds options, from calming tones to gentle lullabies. However, it has no Bluetooth capability, so you cannot play personally selected audio from other devices. The BUFFBEE is the perfect late-night white noise machine for sleeping, napping, meditation, relaxation, and headache management. Up next in 4th place is the Marpac Yogasleep. This unit is a sleep aid that creates a relaxing sound to help you relax, fall asleep, and stay sleeping. This machine has a realistic fan sound that provides the perfect background noise for sleep, relaxation, and concentration. It produces soothing sounds to mask unwanted noises, including snoring spouses, neighbors, or crying babies. This adjustable volume white noise machine blocks out sound so you can sleep better, creating a deeper state of relaxation. Also, using actual fan sounds makes a soothing sound that helps you fall and stay asleep. In addition, it has 12 different settings, so you can tailor your personal experience to your needs or create a unique setting for your baby or child. It has over 5 hours of sound and an adjustable volume option to create your desired ambience. This handcrafted model is made with exceptionally high quality materials and delivers soothing natural sounds with the background of soft blowing wind. We like that it creates a consistent sound all night long, stopping the startles and restlessness that can happen while trying to sleep. What's more, it features an adjustable knob to control volume and tone, giving you precise control over the sound levels. With a simple twist of the knob, you'll be drifting off to sleep in no time. Furthermore, this ultra-portable white noise machine delivers non-looping sounds that work in 15-minute increments with a 10-hour auto shut-off feature, perfect for travel or at home. Its pros are: it has a real internal fan that creates the soothing sound of rushing air. It has a compact and simple design that is easy to use. And it has adjustable options that are perfect for creating a personalized sound experience sound options. However, the volume control is limited, which can be an issue for some people. The Marpac Yogasleep is excellent for blocking out intrusive night noises that can disturb your rest patterns. Still haven't found a white noise machine for better sleep that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Hatch Restore. This device is a next-generation intelligent sound machine and sleep assistant. It can personalize a sleep-wake routine and create a custom bedside reading light and sunrise alarm clock with a library of soothing sounds, white noise, and lights at your fingertips. It is an effective tool in masking distracting sounds in the home or office, while providing a soothing environment to help with getting to sleep at night. It has a built-in sunrise alarm clock with over 30 ambient sounds for easy relaxation or sleep. Additionally, it has an intuitive touchscreen panel that allows you to make changes in seconds. With 10 different presets, including white noise and nature sounds, it can be customized for your exact needs. It is designed to be accessible and easy to use, with a rechargeable battery, so there are no wires, sensors, or trackers on your bed. This product will help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. We also like that it can blend natural sounds with soothing lights if you need a gentle start to your day. Lastly, we appreciate the range of control options via the app, and with over 6 hours of battery life, you can use it anywhere. Its pros are, it functions as a sunrise alarm clock as well as a noise machine for further improving your sleeping patterns. It has a huge range of sounds: nature, white noise, meditations, piano, acoustic guitar, sleep stories, and more. And it has programmable sleep routine steps to help you stick to a regular sleep routine, relax, and fall asleep. However, it needs to be connected via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to set it up and change most settings. The Hatch Restore provides peace and comfort to fall asleep quicker, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed without disturbing your partner's sleep. The second product on this list is the LectroFan EVO. This next unit is a beautifully crafted sleep sound machine that gently blocks distractions and helps you sleep better with 22 unique fan sounds, 10 white noise variations, and 2 ocean sounds. It can play various sounds guaranteed to help bring you peace and comfort. The 3.5mm audio jack lets you wirelessly connect headphones or any other device that plays music. These white noise machines are your solution to sleep problems. It can be placed at the foot of your bed and relax as the fan gradually lulls you into a deep, rejuvenating sleep. Also, the sleep timer lets you set it for 15 minutes or any time up to 9 hours. The precise volume control and optional headphone jack ensure you can enjoy the exact volume you need without being bothered by background noise from another source. This product can be quickly taken along on trips and vacations as it works with an AC power supply or USB cable included with its compact design. It is perfect for hotels, apartments, dorm rooms, and bedrooms. And it comes in white, pink, and brown noise versions or loud fan sounds, depending on your needs. Furthermore, it's guaranteed to be non-looping, so you never have to listen to an unpleasant loop repeatedly. Whether it's a noisy roommate or a neighbor who keeps you up at night, this sleep sound machine will be your new best friend. So if you want to fall asleep anywhere, anytime, this machine will help. Its pros are, it's incremental volume with a very loud maximum setting. It has a headphone jack for private listening, and it's auto-off timers from 1 to 9 hours or continuous play. However, it has no internal battery, so it needs to be plugged into play, which does make it less portable. The LectroFan EVO delivers consistent sound quality throughout the entire operating range of its volume control. It is ideal for helping to relieve stress, improve your focus, and making it easier to fall asleep. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top white noise machine for better sleep is the SNOOZ Smart. Are you looking for a sound machine that delivers the best customization and function? Look no further. The cutting-edge audio technology packed into this product allows it to stream realistic, natural, non-looping white noise from a real fan calibrated to your desired volume and tone. Its portability makes it perfect for travel, hotels, and noisy environments. With a range of authentic soundscapes to choose from, it will help you fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up refreshed. The machine's unique design allows you to select from 10 customizable settings, tailored to babies, children, adults, or pets. The battery power lasts 4 hours on high volume or 8 hours on low volume. And the intuitive app-based remote control allows you to adjust volume, tone, and frequency, delivering personalized comfort as needed. You will also like that the optional companion app also allows you to change settings directly from your phone. This sound machine even includes a built-in timer for late-night listening and an optional nightlight for restless sleepers. Moreover, the sleek exterior blends seamlessly into your home decor while producing simulated fan sounds only heard through its high-end integrated subwoofer. Give yourself and your family the gift of a good night's sleep with 8 soothing sounds of nature, including ocean waves, rainfall, and the white noise of a real fan. Its pros are, it's a real fan that sounds calming and has good noise masking capabilities. It has 10 volume settings and a loud maximum volume. It has daily on and off timers with tone adjustment for your convenience. And it has an app for convenient control, which also helps it remain lightweight and compact. However, its power cord is non-detachable, making it a little more awkward to pack away when traveling. The SNOOZ Smart is the perfect companion for your busy schedule, allowing you to drown out annoying sounds from your noisy neighbors and snoring spouses, so you can get to sleep quickly and wake up feeling rested. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.